This is a tutorial on how to make a tassel, specifically a tassel for Hank the hippopotamus's tail. You will need worsted gray yarn similar to the color that you have chosen for your hippopotamus, a small metal darning needle, a large plastic darning needle or metal darning needle, a G hook 4.0 millimeters, and a pair of scissors. You will take the working end of your yarn, make 3 fingers, and lay the yarn across it. Wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then you'll fasten off with a relatively long tail. And you'll bring that back up here. You will take your plastic darning needle and insert it through all of the loops and pinch those shut. You will take this long end that you have cut and wrap it around. 1, 2, 3, 4. And pull that pretty tight. You will take your sharp darning needle and insert it behind all of those loops that you have just created. And you will take the end that you cut and insert it through the metal darning needle and pull it all the way through. Nice and tight. We remove that. Then you want to set this down for just a moment. Take more yarn. Leave a relatively long tail, at least longer than your tassel. And make a slip knot. Pull that off your hook and set it aside. Pick the tassel back up and remove the plastic darning needle. Insert your G hook through all 5 loops of your tassel and then pick up that slip stitch. And then you're going to pull it through all 5 of those loops. You're going to take both the working yarn and the tail and yarn over and chain 1 and pull that tail all the way through. Give it a tug. And then we're going to chain 1, 2, 3. From here, we will cut a 1 or 2 inch piece tail. And this is what will attach to Hank. In the middle back section, between rounds 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Somewhere in the middle back. And that's what it will look like. So after you have attached the tassel to Hank, what you're going to do is take your metal darning needle and insert it through the center of that tassel. And take this working end and pull it all the way through. I'm stuck. There we go. And then depending on how long you want his tail to be, we are going to snip all of these ends off. I don't care for a very long tail, but that is up to the maker. Give it a fluff, and there's your tail.